How's it going, everybody? We're doing an unboxing of a Browning B-92 lever action rifle in its original packaging, and let's see what we got. Beautiful condition. This is chambered in 357 Magnum, so this is no joke. Everything is in some beautiful condition. Bluing finish is practically new. I'd call this new old stock. Wood has no blemishes at all. Browning, got the manufacturer stamp, made in Japan. Let's go ahead and try the action. Very, very smooth, crisp. I believe this is an unfired firearm, no powder burn residue on the inside. Bore is absolutely excellent, immaculate condition. So smooth I could do it with one finger. Again, this is a Browning lever action rifle, chambered in 357 Magnum. So be on the lookout for this beauty on D4 Guns, and this could be yours. While you're there, also check out some of our new apparel. We have hats, shirts, caps, beanies, and of course some lever wraps for your lever action firearm. D4guns.com.